What's going on, everyone? Chase here. Today, we're going to talk about the fastest way to get high-level clients and make over $30,000 in monthly recurring revenue. I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step system that you can get started with. If you want to stay updated with the system, respond with the word yes, and I'll make sure to keep you informed about everything we're doing. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that we offer you a complimentary, automated high-level system, along with access to all my automations. The link is in the description. With these tools, you'll be able to replicate the exact processes I'm using. I've created a plan with easy-to-copy templates for everything, whether it's making videos or writing emails. Everything is set up so you can just copy and paste. Everything you need to start today is right here. No fancy stuff. It's all about keeping things simple and straightforward so anyone can get going without any hassle. We're diving into a truly exciting topic: outreach strategies for acquiring clients. We'll explore two main methods: online outreach and in-person outreach. Both of these strategies can be highly effective, especially when you're just starting out. In-person outreach, in particular, can yield significant results due to the reduced competition in local settings. Let's start with the basics. Look at your network. Think about who you know as a business owner. Do you have friends or family members who own businesses? Do you know someone whose parents own a business? Maybe you have a friend who is a massage therapist and is closely connected with the owner of their practice. Offer these people your services for free. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a powerful way to get started. By giving them a trial period to use your services, you gain valuable practice, and even if they don't pay you, you can still obtain a testimonial from them. Testimonials are crucial as they build your credibility and portfolio. Expand your thinking beyond just your close network. Consider places you frequent. Where do you go to the dentist? Does your dentist's office need automation services? Look at the businesses you have interacted with recently. Did you have your garage door repaired a few months ago? Or maybe someone in your family did. Reach out to that company and say, "Hi, this is your name. A few months ago, we used your services to repair our garage door. I'd love to speak to the owner to express how satisfied we were with the service and leave a review." This approach not only opens up a conversation, but also makes it easier for you to pitch your services. After all, you're a past customer, so they're likely to take your call. This initial strategy can yield multiple clients quickly. I'm a big proponent of niching down eventually, but in the beginning, you might not have that luxury. If you need clients and cash flow immediately, it's essential to be flexible. Sign on any clients you can. This approach will provide you with a wide range of experiences and case studies, which are invaluable as you build your business. Once you've exhausted your immediate network, it's time to broaden your search. Start locally by using Google. Search for businesses that align with your niche. For example, let's say you're targeting landscapers in Las Vegas. Type Las Vegas landscapers into Google and see what comes up. You'll notice trends and patterns. Some businesses will have a significant number of reviews, while others will have very few. This information is gold. Look for businesses with poor Google. My business names are those that have fewer reviews compared to their competitors. For example, you might find a company called US Turf with 186 reviews and another with only 12 reviews. As you scroll through the results, you'll start to see patterns. The top companies usually have well-optimized profiles and many positive reviews. Reach out to businesses that appear to be struggling with their online presence and offer them reputation management services. When offering reputation management, it's beneficial to compare the business to its competitors. Every business owner is aware of their competition, and highlighting this can be a powerful motivator. For instance, you could say, "I noticed that your competitor, Custom Touch Landscape, has significantly more positive reviews. I saw your trucks around town and thought I could help you improve your online reputation to match or exceed theirs." If you're local to the area, use that to your advantage. Mention streets you've seen their trucks on or places where you've noticed their office. This familiarity makes you stand out and creates a connection that a distant competitor can't replicate. Instead of cold calling each business, you can use a tool like a Google Maps extractor. This tool helps you compile a list of businesses, complete with their contact information, into a spreadsheet. It's much more efficient than manually copying details, and it allows you to organize your outreach efforts systematically. Another excellent strategy is to join local Facebook groups and meetup.com groups. Search for business-related groups in your city. For example, type Business Las Vegas and see what comes up. These groups often host networking events that can be incredibly valuable. Attend these events, introduce yourself, and talk about what you do. It's an excellent way to make connections and find potential clients. You might be thinking, but I want to build an online business and make money online. That's a valid goal. But when you're starting, focusing on local outreach can get you those crucial first few clients quickly. Once you have a few successes under your belt, you can leverage those to expand your reach online. Consider joining organizations like the Chamber of Commerce or BNI, Business Network International. These groups often have membership fees, but they can be worth the investment. When you join, you'll be the only digital marketer in the room, surrounded by CEOs and business owners. This exclusivity gives you a significant advantage. You're the go-to person for digital marketing in that network, which can lead to valuable connections and clients. If you're interested in our client getting scripts, outreach strategies, or DM templates, you can find a free course linked in the description below. It includes everything from sales call recordings to additional services you can offer and how to charge high-ticket prices. If you don't have a HighLevel account, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial through the link provided, and I'll give you access to all the resources for free. Now, let's dive into online outreach. If you're looking to get leads online, either in your city or another city, there are several tools you can use. One tool I recommend is D7 Lead Finder. While some of the information might not always be perfectly accurate, it's a good starting point, especially if you're on a budget. The tool allows you to search for businesses by niche and location, providing you with contact details and links to their social media profiles. You can reach out to these businesses through various channels: SMS, email, phone calls, or social media messages. You can even send cold voicemail drops. This method involves recording a voicemail message once, importing your contact list into a platform like HighLevel, and sending the voicemail to everyone on the list. This approach is efficient and ensures that your message reaches a large audience quickly. Let's discuss the offers you can present to business owners. 3 highly effective services are Website in a Day, Reputation Management, and the DR campaign. Website in a Day. This service involves building a website for a client within a single day. Using HighLevel, find a website template for the client's niche and use the AI content writer to generate content. Once the website is ready, reach out to the client and say, "I noticed a few issues with your current website, so I built a new one for you. Can I send it over for you to review?" This proactive approach sets you apart from competitors and shows the client that you are willing to go the extra mile. Reputation Management. Identify businesses with poor online reviews or few reviews compared to their competitors. Reach out to them with a message highlighting this disparity. For instance, "I noticed that your competitor, Green America Tree Service, has significantly more positive reviews. I can help you improve your online reputation to attract more clients." Providing screenshots of the clients' and competitors' reviews can be a powerful way to illustrate the potential impact of improved reputation management. DR campaign, direct response. This campaign focuses on reactivating past customers or leads. Collect a list of the client's previous customers or leads and send them text messages, emails, or voicemail drops with a compelling offer. This approach can generate immediate interest and bookings without any advertising spend. If you want more detailed information on setting up these services, I have other YouTube videos that go in-depth on each one. These resources will guide you step by step on how to implement these strategies for your clients. Once you have a few clients on board, you can retain them with ongoing services like lead follow-up and automated appointment booking. For instance, every time a client completes a project, you can automatically send them a review request. We have a review filtering system that helps ensure only positive reviews get published, which is another valuable service you can offer. In the early stages, offering a free trial can be incredibly effective. It allows potential clients to see the value of your services firsthand. Once they experience the benefits, they're much more likely to become paying clients. And remember, the testimonials and case studies you gather during these trials are invaluable for building your portfolio and attracting more clients. Finally, consider leveraging automation tools to streamline your outreach process. Tools like HighLevel allow you to automate follow-ups, track interactions, and manage your client relationships efficiently. Automation not only saves you time, but also ensures that no potential client slips through the cracks. In summary, whether you're starting with in-person outreach or diving into online strategies, the key is to be proactive and persistent. Leverage your network, utilize local search and social media tools, and present compelling offers that address real business needs. By providing value upfront and building strong relationships, you'll be well on your way to acquiring and retaining clients for your business. Remember, every successful business started somewhere. Your journey begins with these outreach strategies. Implement them, refine them, and soon you'll see the results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the resources linked below to help you on your client acquisition journey.